Hello, Peter the Cat here. I'm here to announce that GuineaPigDan and I will be appearing at Pacific Anthro Weekend again this year. It's at the San Jose Doubletree, November 1st to November 3rd. And we're going to have a table there, and we're going to be selling all sorts of art stuff. Let me show you. We're going to be doing sketch commissions like this. This is an example with Domino, GuineaPigDan's guinea pig character. We're going to be selling art prints. Here's one with me meeting a human version of myself. Kind of weird. And we're going to have buttons, too. There's one that I'm on, and there's Domino. We're gonna have a bunch of new buttons too, like I Heart Cats and I Heart Tigers. I really like those buttons. I Heart Red Pandas, I Heart Ferrets, even though ferrets are illegal here in California, and I Heart Bellies, for those of you who like chubby characters like Garfield. These can all be purchased on my Cafe Press, links below. See, Garfield, I'm learning to sell myself out just like you do. So anyway, aside from PawCon, GuineaPigDan also got an artist table in the Artist Alley at Further Confusion, so we're gonna be there too. However, I'm permanently banned from Further Confusion because I wasn't nice enough to dogs. But not to worry, Garfield's going to hack their computers, so I'll be able to attend again. After you're done teaching me music, Garfield, you got to teach me how to hack computers. So anyway, that's all I have to say. Peter the Cat here. Bye everybody, and come and see us there at Pacific Anthro Weekend. Again, it's at the Doubletree in San Jose, November 1st to November 3rd.